Hello everyone, I am Imran Ali, Assistant Professor, Department of MBA, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. This is lecture 27, Unit 4, in which I will be discussing about supply chain drivers and the responsiveness versus efficiency. So, the supply chain refers to the different step that an organization's having from supplier wherever the we are sourcing our raw material till the end consumer where our end consumers are going to be used. So, every organization need to ensure that the production that is happening or sourcing of raw material or ultimate distribution of the good had to happen on time. So, this is the supply chain steps or the supply chain model. Every organization had to ensure that the supplier need to be reliable, storage need to be robust or storage infrastructure need to be robust, so that wastage need to be minimum, operation efficiency or the conversion of raw material into final output need to be good also, so that the wastage and productivity of the organization need to be very high. So, the 5 drivers provide a useful framework for thinking about supply chain capability. So, there are 5 drivers of supply chain that drive the entire supply chain, and these 5 drivers need to get adjusted as per the requirement or scenario available into the market or industry. So, over a period of time, the company that they are into business, they had to identify what is their target market, to whom they want to sell their product, and accordingly they need to make certain necessary changes into their supply chain driver. For example, the supply chain driver, first it is about production, second it is about inventory, third it is about information, fourth it is about transportation. So, I mean to these there are these kind of the information driver. These information driver had to be managed or adjusted as per the nature of the consumer or the target market that a particular company is trying to hit or to capture, so that company can manage their businesses much more efficiently. For example, Nirma, it is an organization whose target market is not premium market, but the lower strata of the society. Now, whatever the production will be changed as per the nature of the consumer, inventory scenario will be changed as per the nature of the consumer, information or transportation is going to be changed as per the target market or scenario that is prevailing into the industry or market. So, the whatever there are 5 supply chain driver, an organization need to change the drivers as per the current market situation, the nature and the preferences of the consumer and the demand of the market that is taking from the industry scenario. Decision made about each driver operates will determine the blend of responsiveness and efficiency. So, the organization had to take a decision what kind of changes they want to bring into their supply chain driver. Are they are looking for more responsiveness, or organization is looking for much for efficiency. It is company, either they totally focus on responsiveness or totally they are focusing on efficiency, or they are trying to identify or adopt a blend or balance in between responsiveness and efficiency. Now, what is responsiveness? Responsiveness approach focus on customer satisfaction, more quality and individual satisfaction of the customer. So, it is a kind of premium approach or upper strata of the society or upper strata of the market, in which we are trying to focus that the customers need to be more satisfied and company will try to make them satisfy individually. So, it is responsiveness. For example, companies trying to establish large number of the retail outlet, so that their customers need to be more satisfied and company can provide quality of services. Recently, Tesla is in the process of identifying location into the premium geography, so that their customer easily can come and purchase the car. Now, the approach of the Tesla, it is what? Responsiveness, individual focus, more concentrated toward the market, and they are more concerned toward the individual customer. So, here into the responsiveness approach of the company is what? The premium they are. It is about the BMW, it is Rolls Royce, it is Dove, several other brands that are catering to the IKEA. It is into IKEA, it is a Sweden company that is into the furniture retailing. Company has came, but they are trying to focus only upper strata of the society, premium customer, and they want to make individual and customized services to them. So, this approach of individual treatment, more satisfaction, higher concentration toward the customer, intention to provide quality services to the customer, developing individual distribution channel to the individual customer, these all are concerned with the responsiveness. So, responsiveness, I mean to say, more concern about quality, catering to the premium class of the customer, and trying to cater that these customers do have a belongingness toward the organization. On the other hand, the just reverse of the responsiveness, it is about efficiency. Efficiency, it is what? It is these organization who will try to achieve lower cost, and these are the organization who will try to offer their product at lower prices. And how these lower prices can be achieved? You produce your goods in bulk quantity or into the larger quantity at a particular place. So, once the production will be into the bulk, production is going to be into the larger quantity, you can achieve lower cost and ultimately you can offer to the to your customer. We have seen what Jio has done. They offered their services at much lower cost, even at free for certain period of time. So, probably the organization intention was to achieve efficiency, achieving lower cost. Intention is to provide their product and services at affordable prices and catering to the larger number of the consumer. Now, if the organization has two different approaches, the one, it is about efficiency, it is the first approach, and the second approach of our supply chain driver, it could be responsiveness. Now, it is the company, either the company totally want to focus on efficiency, or the organization totally want to focus on responsiveness, or they want to adopt some blend of it, some mix approach they are going to adopt. But if organization is approaching or adopting responsiveness, it means they are not for all, they are for selective, customized, premium services, upper strata, and the prices are going to be higher. So, they are more responsive in terms of their target market, they are very responsive toward the need and wants of the customer, they are highly responsive whether the customer whom they are targeting, are they satisfied or unsatisfied. Next, it is about efficiency only concerned with lower prices, and either it is Nirma or it is Telenor earlier into telecommunication industry, it is Jio as of now, it is Marico into FMCG category, it is the Vishal Mega Mart. There are several organizations whose primary approach is to provide product at the lower cost. Now, what we need to understand, how it could be achieved? We have to provide the lower cost, some changes had to be made. If we are only trying to make some upper strata of the customer, some changes has to be made into our supply chain. Just see how it is going to be managed. Now, in a particular industry or business, for example, if the demand is predictable and stable, in a particular industry, if demand it is stable and predictable, how the pattern of the demand going into future course of time, it is easy for the organization to achieve efficiencies over there. For example, we are predicting in next 5 year or 10 year demand for the healthcare product or healthcare services will be very high. Organization may came and they start producing. General Electric or several other organization may came into a business and they can produce at larger scale, or large scale production plant can be established by the organization with the assumption that the demand for the product is going to be for long span of time. So, once they are sure about that the demand into the economy is going for a long span of time, they will make investment into your economy. We can see that why multinational corporations are very optimistic about India and China, because the demand it is large. India is having 130 crore population, it is a larger chunk of the people. Any organization can think of that consumption activities or the consumption it is going to be for long span of time. Recently, Burger King from USA has come up with the IPO, and they are going to make a larger investment into the opening their newer outlet. So, the objective is what? Because the either Burger King or it is McD, both of them are very optimistic about that the demand it is going to be long lasting. It is going to be into future course of time. Similarly, it is about electrical vehicle into India or even into China or rest of the Asian market. The demand it is going to be long lasting over a period of time. So, companies can come and make investment and they can achieve the efficiency or can provide their product at the lower cost, because demand it is stable and it is affordable and feasible for the organization to provide the services at lower cost. This is known to all that various regulation has came. Government of India is time and again focusing over that environmental focus or environmental dimension had to be focused. I mean to say renewable energy I am going to discuss. So, if today the energy requirement from the renewable energy it is 25% and non-renewable it is 75%, then in future course of time this portion it is going to be increase. So, demand it is predictable, we can predict that demand is going to be the long lasting. So, whichever industry it is, either it is entertainment or it is real estate or it is FMCG or it is telecommunication, either industry it is, if we can identify or predict that the demand it is going to be predictable, it is easy for the company to achieve certain efficiency over there. Next, it is about responsiveness. Demand it is not predictable. We can't assure that consumer will continuously keep on purchasing the product. Although Tesla has came, but the initial focus it is what? Only to catering to the upper strata of the society or the premium customer into the society. So, we need to just understand that if we are catering to the selective people, we are catering to the selective group of the customer, it is difficult to achieve efficiency. So, better it is responsiveness will be achieved. I discuss about Tesla, I discuss about IKEA, it is BMW, it is Rolls Royce, there are several other organizations whose only focus is selective customer, but with concentration. Next, it is about competitive priorities. What is the basis or on which basis organization want to sustain into the businesses? So, is the organization planning to sustain into the business or market at the lower cost, or the organization want to sustain into the business on the basis of unique design, innovation and differentiation of the product, or new design that are coming into market. Both are different into their approaches. If a organization is very innovative, it's keep on doing lot of R&D, it's emphasizing on research and development, they are in the process of bringing differentiated product, the approach is going to be very different. On the other hand, if the approach or the priority is to sustain at lower cost or by offering lower prices, then the approach of the company is going to be different. So, lower prices will help to achieve the efficiency. If innovation and distinguish or a different design had to be achieved, then a different approach is to be made by the organization. Next, it is about the new product. It is in, if the organization had to achieve efficiency, it is difficult to develop new plan, to make lot of expenditure on new product and so and so forth. But here it is frequent, because focus is what? New customer, newer market, offering them newer product, although they are selective customer, here it is possible. Margin here it is low. So, here frequency will be high, volumes are going to be high, but margin is low. See, number of volumes sold by Maruti Suzuki and number of volumes sold by BMW or Rolls Royce or any other premium company offering premium car. So, here the premium is what? High. So, into the responsive approach, premium is high, but into efficiency the margin is low. Next, it is product variety. Here company will be offering lower or selective variant, limited variant will be offering, but these limited variants are going to be produced into the large quantity. Similarly, here the variants are going to be high, though the number of the product will be limited or few, but they will be different from each other. So, these are the two approaches that an organization can adopt. Either their supply chain driver will be adjusted toward efficiency, or their supply chain driver will be changed toward efficiency, or their supply chain drivers are concentrated toward responsiveness. So, either way we are going to see. Next, it is about the supply chain drivers. So, these are the 5 drivers which an organization has to change. An organization had to do certain modification, and first it is about production. So, into the production we have to say what the organization want to produce. If the organization focus is efficiency, it will produce low cost product. If the organization approach is responsiveness, it will produce few product, but they will be differentiated and they will be innovative. The company, if their focus is on efficiency, they will plan to produce such a product which can be produced into the larger quantity. Quantity will be large, but the prices are going to be low. On the other hand, if it is responsiveness, number of the product will be few, but they will be having better feature, they are limited in number and so on and so forth. Next, it is about the inventory. If the approach of organization or supply chain drivers are focused toward efficiency, inventory is, you can keep a lower inventory or minimum inventory need to be made. But on the other hand, if the organization want or supply chain drivers are focused toward responsiveness, inventory need to be maintained high. High inventory need to be there. You need to keep large number of the variant, large number of the product into your inventory, because the requirement of the customers may be different from each other. So, since into responsiveness we intend to offer variety of the product, we intend to offer unique design, we intend to offer innovative product. So, approach has to be there about this kind of inventory need to be maintained. Next, it is about the location, where best to do what activity. So, selecting a location is a critical decision for the organization, and every company has to find out a location where they can produce easily, and they have to search a location where they can service to the larger number of the customer. So, the location need to be selected. As I discussed about Tesla, it has given this assignment to a real estate company to suggest them certain location into premium geography where they can set up their store and services can be started. Similarly, this exercise has been done by IKEA also earlier when they were in the process of setting up their store into major locations across India. Next, it is about the transportation. Into transportation, if you are focusing on responsiveness, your transportation objective what it should be? Immediate delivery, immediate. So, you can adopt air or any way which could be costlier, but the priority of yours is that the product need to reach to the customer immediately. But on the other hand, if the supply chain drivers are focused toward efficiency, you will try to achieve some method whereby cost could be lowered down. So, you might be adopting the transportation through road or through railway where your overall cost can be managed. Next, it is the information basis for making this decision. Either the approach is responsive or it is efficiency. Information is needed to take certain decision. Since the cost of accessing information it is lowered down or it is dropping year by year, various tools and software have been developed by several organizations. We can access the data, we can make information, and we can take certain decision either targeted to be responsiveness or efficiency. So, these are the 5 drivers, they need to be changed, tinkered as per the objective of the company. Either you want to focus on efficiency or responsiveness. The same factor I only just need to be say, if we have to responsiveness, access capacity need to be with the organization. Many smaller plant need to be established at different location just to provide services to the customer, and flexible manufacturing need to be installed so that we can manufacture what it is required by the organization, unlike bulk production of a similar or an identical product. Next, it is efficiency, little access capacity and narrow focus and few central plant. So, into the efficiency our objective will be at one location produce into the larger quantity. Next, it is about inventory, high inventory level and wide range. Into efficiency, level of inventory will be maintained low. It is location, many location close to the customer, few central locations had to be adopted. I shared with you earlier to location into the responsiveness will be many, so that we are close in touch with the customer and in the position to provide them better services. Whereas, in the efficiency our location will be central and target will be to produce into the larger quantity. Transportation, it is frequent shipment, fast and flexible mode need to be there. Next, it is about few large shipment and slower and cheaper mode. So, here our focus will be on slower mode of the transportation. Information collection timely and accurate data, cost of information drop while other costs are rising. So, information is a basis through which we are about to take certain decision about the organization and about the companies, that how these decisions are to be taken. So, I mean to say that these decisions have to be made considering about the business objective of the organization. business objective of the organization are that to which class of the customer you are targeting, what is the nature of the customer or preference of the customer, what kind of product they are likely or they are preferring to have. Similarly, your supply chain drivers are to be focused. So, either they could be focused toward achieving responsiveness toward the supply chain, or it is toward the efficiency. The first, it is about the production excess capacity. Why into the responsiveness excess capacity is being required? Because the intention or the business objective of the firm is what? To provide quality or customized services to all individual. So, you need to have a smaller plant, and each plant it is capable to manufacture a different nature or different kind of product. So, you need to have multiple plant having the capacity of producing a little bit distinguished or differentiated product. On the other hand, efficiency, you will have limited or few central plant, but the ultimate objective is what? At one place you produce in larger quantity and you are in the position to achieve it. Next, it is about inventory, high inventory level and wide range of variety. So, choice or the variety of the product into responsiveness need to be larger, because each product need to be differentiated. Company had to put lot of focus or concentration on research and development, lot of better or advanced feature need to be incorporated into your product. On the other hand, nothing is required as such into efficiency. Few product will be there, one or two, but company it is required to produce into the bulk or into the larger quantity, so that lower cost can be achieved. Mobile handset, it is Intex or it is Micromax or several other companies whose intention was to produce an affordable mobile handset. So, the target or the intention of the company was different. Next, it is about the location. I had discussed with you in the case of Tesla, in the case of BMW, in case of any other organization who want to establish its services into the premium locations, and they want to be close in touch with the customer, so that the customer can approach them as and when they are free or they approach to. Next, few central location area. Transportation is important, and transportation influence the overall cost of the organization. So, into the responsiveness, frequent shipment and fast and flexible. So, you may adopt multiple transportation mode, and flexible mode you will be adopting. Ultimately, the intention is product need to reach to the customer and he need to be satisfied. Here the focus it is going to be to achieve low cost item there. Next, it is about the information, which is going to be achieved about the information and having access of information and utilizing this data or information with some affordability. So, this information has become too much important, and this is how our supply chain driver need to be changed or focused, either concentrated toward responsiveness or efficiency. So, this was all about supply chain drivers and how they could be changed to achieve the business objective of the firm. Thank you.